Using any electrician to install your home EV charging station could be a very risky and costly mistake, including exposing your home to a fire hazard. Hum is your specialized expert in EV charging installations. Our licensed and insured technicians are trained and experienced in installing all brands of EV chargers to ensure safety and performance. Consider this. Regular electricians are not trained on the essential requirements of your home EV charging system. They may use the wrong circuit breaker or wire size to match your charger setup, causing poor performance but also a hazard to your home. And many electricians mistakenly use inexpensive NEMA 1450 outlets, typically meant for home dryers. These outlets are not cut out for the heat generated by the continuous charging use, which cause them to melt over time and pose a fire risk. We only use industrial-grade receptacles recommended by Tesla and designed to handle the power and heat without the risk. Also beware of the unlicensed and uninsured electrician. Homeowners insurance may not cover damages resulting from their cut-rate work. Those pennies saved may cost you a fortune later. Make sure their electrical contractor's license is displayed on their vehicle. Hum technicians also won't propose unnecessary and expensive upgrades to your electrical panel. Hum can usually find a way to use your existing setup to save you time and money. Choose Hum, the EV charging experts. Choose safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. And ask us about our lowest price guarantee. Call us at 469-225-9230 or visit us online at humenergy.com. That's with 2 M's. To schedule your free estimate today, follow the future.